Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and use your new ii900 Industrial Acoustic Imager. Start by opening up the case and carefully removing the ii900. First, locate the battery door on the bottom of the imager. To check the battery status, simply push down on the button on the side of the battery, and an LED signal will show you how much charge is currently on the battery. Make sure to lock the battery door once you have inserted the battery. Remove the sensor cover from the imager, exposing the sensor head. Be sure to attach the neck strap and wear it when performing inspections to prevent accidental drops and damage to your ii900. To turn on the ii900, press and hold the green power button in the bottom left-hand corner for a few seconds, until the screen turns on. Tap on the screen to bring up the menu. Now, let's walk through the important items on the camera menu. Touch the display, and you will see a menu bar pop up on the left side of your screen. If you select Image, this allows you to select different capture modes: Image, Video, or Leak Queue. Image mode captures a still photo of the scene with overlapping sound image and saves it in a PNG or JPG format. Video mode captures a video of the scene with overlapping sound image and saves it in an MP4 format. You can capture up to 5 minutes of video at a time. When you select the Leak Queue capture mode, the imager is able to capture the leak data for later use to estimate the size of the leak. If you select Memory, this will show you all the captured images and videos you have taken and saved on the ii900. When operating the ii900, you will see several other items on the screen. The battery status can be seen on the left bottom side of the screen and has a 4-level indicator. The date and time are also displayed on the screen. The folder section of the menu allows you to organize your files. New file captures save to the folder name that shows on the display. You have the option to review files by folder name or the timestamp. The slider on the right-hand side of the screen is the frequency band slider, which we will cover next. Once you have turned on your ii900, aim it at a test area. This could be, for example, a known leaking connector or tube. The ideal distance to be from your target is 3 to 26 feet, but with good line of sight, you can increase the distance up to 70 feet. Always pay attention to your environment when you are inspecting for air leaks. Pay attention to gaps, low ceilings, and rotating equipment to ensure your safety while performing the inspection. Once you have your target in range, point the ii900 at the target. Select a band on the frequency band slider by moving the slider up or down. The optimum band depends on the environment and the application. We recommend that you start with a band at 35 kHz and a width of about 5 to 10 kHz. If there is a strong source of background sound or noise, the display shows a circular or flower pattern of hotspots on the sound map. Now scan around for the source of sound and adjust the slider slowly to higher or lower frequencies until you have removed the ambient sounds around you, and only the leak sound remains visible and has been isolated. When the area of interest is clearly displayed, push the capture button on the right side of the ii900. The ii900 will then save the image or video to memory. Sound signals reflect, particularly on smooth and flat surfaces. In certain conditions, the imager shows a steady spot on the source of noise and one or more steady spots from the reflections. Move the imager around to help discriminate the sound source from the reflections. The sound source remains in the same location, while reflections will move. Once you have taken your image or video, you may want to add additional information so that when you or someone else is reviewing the image later, they can get even more details than what is shown in the image. Things like the location or asset number. In order to add notes to your images or videos, you have two options: tapping the thumbnail image that shows right after you have taken your image or video, or by going into the memory menu and selecting the image from there. The ii900 offers 3 types of annotations. Text notes, where you can add additional information to files with text notes. Photo notes, which is an additional photo attached to the file. You may want to use photo notes to attach images of a label on a piece of equipment, or the location the image was taken, such as a building number or section number. You can then add this information to the file to be reviewed later. Lastly, you can add a tag note, which is a set of predefined fields attached to a file. These fields store data about the file that is useful for comparison and evaluation. Now, you're all set to start finding leaks. We hope you enjoy using your new ii900 Industrial Acoustic Imager and find that it makes your job easier.